Welcome to 557 Summit Terrace Court. This nice 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath home with hardwood and tile flooring throughout, as well as a fenced backyard. It's located in the Gatewood subdivision in Northeast Columbia near the Summit. Convenient to I-77 and I-20, Fort Jackson, as well as dining and shopping in Sandhills. So we're out front. You can see you have sidewalks to the neighborhood. This home sits sort of at the end of the row of similar houses, but it's sort of on a cul-de-sac on this end, and then you have parking for these homes back to the left there. So walkway up to the pretty shallow covered front entry, but you do have a little bit of rain protection there as you come in. And then as you step inside, you have laminate hardwood flooring in the living room off the entry. You also have a ceiling fan. You have some nice sort of upgraded fan blades on that one, and a window out to the front. And then in here you can see there's tile flooring that picks up, and this flooring is actually throughout most of the rest of the home, on the second level included. But the kitchen is here towards the center of the first level. You have a built-in microwave, electric stove, dishwasher, and then a refrigerator down on that end. You have an island with a small lip for a stool or two there. And then on this wall, a couple of closets. This is more of a pantry on this side. And then you also have your washer and dryer connections in the laundry closet here off the kitchen as well. So full-size space for full-size side-by-side machines there, and then a shelf above. And then also you have a half bathroom on the lower level as well. The pedestal sink and commode. And then you have your dining room at the back of the first level. So you have chair rail molding in here, and then nice sliding glass door, lets in a lot of natural light from the back, and also accesses the backyard space. And out here you have a patio and just some privacy fencing on the left and right, but it sort of backs up to sort of a lightly wooded area, but no neighbors directly on that side. And then off the dining room here, you have the stairs starting here, and then you go up to the second level, and as we mentioned, that those tile floors pick up here again. So 3 bedrooms off the hall. Here is what would be considered the master, most likely, since you do have a private bathroom and also a walk-in closet in here, and it's not attached to any of the other rooms. So we'll just cross over here and show you the closet first. You see it's a nice size, and the flooring even continues into there. And then you have a full bathroom here as well, a single vanity there, tile flooring, and then the shower and tub. Nice window on this side. And then you can see that vanity again. And then on down the hall, you have a second bedroom on the right side here. All 3 of these bedrooms do have ceiling fans. So this bedroom is connected to a bathroom on this side. So it shares a Jack and Jill style bathroom with the back bedroom. But you have a single vanity and a shower and tub in here as well. And then last but not least, your third bedroom. So you can see that it connects here. And actually, before we go there, we do have some shelving here behind the door as well. And then this room also does have a walk-in closet with a window. So it's actually sort of maybe the nicer of the 2 closets, but it is a little bit smaller, I believe. And then you can see the room itself is a pretty neat size, so you could use this one as sort of a master and a connected spare room or whatever as well. So that completes our tour of the home here at 557 Summit Terrace Court. You can find out more information online at turnerproperties.com.